My name's Shayna Nolan, and we are in the Peyton Lab at UMass Amherst. Well, the Peyton Lab works on breast cancer research, and particularly metastasis and how breast cancer spreads from one area to the other. So we focus on the common areas and understanding what kind of things cause breast cancer to spread there. So I work with protein mimics to try and understand cell behaviors in these different areas and why they go to particular areas. I'm from Massachusetts. I'm from a small town in South Shore. Science has always been my passion, I guess. I've always enjoyed science classes more than anything else that there has been. So going into college was really intimidating trying to pick something. And I could never be a doctor or anything, but I still want to be able to help people, and this is a way that you can actually still help people. And it's so vast, you're not really limited to any particular thing. You can really go into anything. So I mostly work with cover slips, which are little glass kind of like plates, and I coat them with proteins to mimic a tissue. So if I'm focusing on breast cancer tissue, the protein concentrations that are in there, I would mimic by placing them and using chemistry to get them to stick to the cover slips. And then after that, putting cells on there, and that would be how I'm observing cell behavior on these mimicked tissues. So the 3 tissues that I make are bone, brain, and breast, because the breast cancer commonly spreads to the bone and the brain, which is when it gets really dangerous. So those are areas that we want to look at. I think any sort of advancement in the field would be really amazing. I mean, it's hard to say exactly what you want to accomplish when there's so many things that still need to be accomplished, but I mean, right now, anything that would help lab members, because we all kind of bounce off of each other's ideas and whatnot, would be really great. And at a big school like this, it's easy to get lost in the sea of undergrads, and some people will go their whole time without doing anything hands-on or anything like that, but there's literally so many opportunities at especially a big school like this where there's a ton of research going on that all you have to do is really ask to get involved. It's as simple as that. It's pretty much what I did. And I can't see how anybody would want to pass up an opportunity to do that. There's so much that we do know, but there's way more that we don't know. So anything that kind of adds pieces to the puzzle that is cancer would be pretty great.